In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wi-Fi password on your Tapo camera. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. It is possible for you to manage or change the Wi-Fi network and all of its settings when using a Tapo camera. However, sadly, this process is not as straightforward as you might think. So if you open the app, you will be able to locate your Tapo camera and select it from the home screen. So select your Tapo camera and go into the settings by tapping on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, on the device settings, you will find the network connection. So the network that you are currently connected to will appear over here. You will see the signal strength. However, if you tap on this, you will notice that nothing happens. You don't even have the option to change this network, change the name, browse through other ones, and so on. As it stands today, for whatever reason, the Tapo cameras and devices need to be fully disconnected, and only after they are removed from the app, then you will be able to change the Wi-Fi network. So what you have to do is scroll all the way down until you find the remove camera option. And unfortunately, there doesn't seem to be a workaround to this. You need to remove the camera from the app and go through the setup process again until you reach the part where you can choose a new network. So remove the camera from the current network and then go through the entire registration process. So on the home screen, you will tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, choose the option to add a new device, and then follow the instructions to add your specific Tapo camera. Once you are done with the initial setup process of plugging it into a power outlet, you will see the option to connect it to a network. Then it is going to be detected by your phone, and afterwards you can choose the appropriate network that will be used for your camera, aka your home network. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.